Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see compiler lab experiment number 1. In this we have to make a program that would separate all the tokens from the program and we have to give the count. So this is the program which is going to do that, and at the last it is going to tell us the count of every token. To understand it well, we are going to take an example. So first of all, let's compile it. For example, let's take int a equal to 9, and if a equal to 9, it should do something. To quit, we have taken a special character q to end the program, to understand that the program has already ended. So it gives us all the keywords at identifier. So int is a keyword, a is identifier, equal to is an operator, assignment in this case. Similarly, it does end, but as we can see I have used curly braces and closed brackets, which are wrong, but that will be taken care in the lexical analysis phase. So let's go to the program and see. So this is the program. It starts from int. So here we have given string as token and as. These are the variable declarations. The important ones are token. So we have already defined a set of tokens over here, and then the set of operators and set of punctuations. So these two are character array and it is a string array, and we have taken a character array called rest, which we are going to use further, and flag to indicate whether it is already decided that whether it is a token or any kind of token. So the first is to get the whole code from the user. So this is the statement for that. So until and unless the user doesn't type the capital Q, it is going to take the whole command again until he types the capital Q, and it is going to concatenate it with the previous string which is blank, so in the starting which is blank, and with a space. So after every space it is going to concatenate the next line, and after that we want this string array to be converted into character array, so that we could go word by word to identify whether it is a operator, punctuation, identifier, or some kind of token keyword. So we take the length by the predefined function dot length. We assign some values because we want to do use loops, and then this is the character length. We copy, so of that length the input size, here we are giving that make a array of that length, which length is already given by the user. So and now we copy the whole string into a character array. Now we go character by character. So here toke is the first word. It checks whether it is empty or not, like a blank space or not. If not, then it will skip just the whole part. So it is basically to identify a keyword. So it will start from a beginning. So it will count. Here it will compare with the predefined tokens which we have already made. 8. These are the 8 tokens which we have already made. So this he is going to, it is going to compare over here, and if it is true we'll set the flag that okay, it has been done keyword. Otherwise if it is not true, then we are going to copy it to the part rest, and we are going over here token, we will set the token equal to blank and I plus plus. So if it is nothing, then we are going to increment it. Now again it is going to add it to the previous letter over here, and now it is going, if it is blank, then it is going to do all this, like the previous letter. For it is for the previous letter, it is going to do again and again this thing for the previous letter. So if it is not a token, then it will skip all this part and it will go here in the while loop, next while loop. So if it is not, then it is going to go here. So after that, it is similarly the same way, it is going to compare whether it is an operator in the previous array or not. So if it is an operator, we will compare it with the operator array, which is of length 5. That's why we are given here 5. It has 6 operators, and we have same number of punctuations also, so we are using it in the same loop. So if it is found that it is an operator or a punctuation, we set the flag equal to 1 and we increase the count for it. Otherwise, we will set the flag equal to 0. And if it is nothing, if it is not an operator or a punctuation or a keyword, we are going to tell it is a identifier, and we are going to print that it is an identifier, and at the last we are going to print the count of it. So as you can see here in the previous program also, it is telling us everything. Int a equal to 9 and punctuation, and at the end it is going to tell us the count of every token. There are one keyword, that is end, then 3 3 and 14. That's all. Thank you.